Usually it stops after a few minutes. This thing is still going, like a little mini low or something. It's really coming down out there. Oh my God! Did I just get that on live? Lightning just hit the phone pole. Oh my God! Did I just get that on live? Lightning just hit the phone pole. It's really coming down out there. Oh my God! Did I just get that on live?
Some of those storms pretty heavy. Picked up several inches of rain at my house once again. Out over into St Andrews this morning. Woo, that was a close call right there. That's why you never want to be out in the middle of an open area near something tall. Take a look at that lightning strike over there from our friend Joseph Mandeville. Whew. We'll talk more about your forecast in just a few minutes.